What are you going to see in mobile payments in the near future? You're going to see more people using mobile payments in retail stores. For example, Walmart now allows you to use QR payments at the checkout counter, and I'm sure other retailers will follow. You can also expect corporate treasurers to use mobile technology for everyday tasks that usually get done on laptops or desktops. Small business owners will leverage mobile devices to receive and send payments, replacing costly POS systems or even cash. And invoices will be increasingly submitted and processed using mobile phones. I suspect real-time payments and mobile payments will become synonymous. You will see more cashier-less shopping stores, vending machines that accept mobile payments. In short, expect mobile payments to slowly replace traditional payment methods. How can a bank prepare today for these trends in mobile payments? I suggest you start small, but you should definitely start. Work with a partner that has long experience, expertise, and success in mobile digital payments. Don't just choose a mobile digital payment application, but rather a vendor that offers a complete platform on which you can grow. Mobile payments will continue to grow and evolve, and you want to ensure your partner and platform can evolve with you.